30 and US100 precisely bouncing back from the support levels on the downside at 29,900 and 11,300, which is the stronger support, and gave a stronger reversal on the upside, trading above the support zones at 3,300 and 11,600 levels. Now what can be expected today? Can we expect them to remain bullish, or can we expect it to drop again? Which position you should take in order to profit? Before I come up with my next analysis, before the US cash session, we will try to see this. We will try to see the entry levels, the exits and the targets out there. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Your every like, subscribe and comment is a motivation to me. Do not miss this. And first we'll look, let's start. First we'll look into US100 followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Now look at the hourly charts. On the hourly chart, certainly. Now see these two highs there. If you look at these two dots, the slope has changed certainly, and it is trying to trade within this. And if you look it, if you see it trading beyond this zone at 11,660,700, certainly you can expect more bullishness. Also look at this three candles of consolidation and then this reversal. Yes, in fact you can buy here at 11,650 levels, but then expect 11,700 to provide a little resistance. Beyond that, certainly you can expect a stronger rise. At the same time, only sell position today is below 11,600, but then expect 11,550, and if it breaches 11,550, consider it for more bearishness. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is at the top. The MACD is bullish. The RSI is looking overbought. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, see lower highs, higher lows, trying to consolidate. Once it trade past this zone, 11,650-60 zone, rather I will say 11,670, you can take as it is going to be the level beyond which it may try to act little bit bullish. So you can buy at 11,670 levels and expect 11,700 is the first target. Beyond it, certainly more bullishness can be expected. On the downside, you can sell at 11,600, but then expect 11,550 as a stronger support, and below that it may try to drop strongly on the downside. So for the day, you have to be cautious here at 11,700 levels. Definitely it may give you a stronger resistance. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish on the 2-hour charts, and it is still diverging more. RSI is looking upwards, indicating more bullishness. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts here, see, you have to be cautious still here. You have to be cautious. So let's take a more safe position. Let's create a more safe position. Buy at 11,700, sell at 11,600. Do not trade in between these 100 points. Let's be careful in between these 100 points. Above 11,700, certainly 11,840, 11,900 levels can be expected. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts, certainly higher highs, higher lows are expected. 11,700 may provide a little resistance, and if it trades above 11,700, certainly you can expect little more bullishness. Only sell position is below 11,600, where you can expect bearishness there. Below 11,600, you can expect 11,550, 11,500. 500 is going to be a very good support. Below that, we can expect a drop for 11,400 and 300 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, look at the daily charts here. See these three candles. First is these levels, and certainly achieving these levels, there is a possibility of a reversal till the time it trades below this level. Certainly, only and only if it trades above this level, that is 11,700, you can expect then it may try to give you similar size of green candle. When I say similar size, that means we can see extremely bullish move, and you can expect 300-400 points also, and then it can try to achieve 11,900, 12,000 levels also today itself. Be careful. If it trades above 11,700, we can expect a stronger bullish move. Now on the flip side, achieving these levels here, it can try to reverse, and hence you have to be cautious. You can sell at 11,600, expect it to drop, then 11,550 is the first support, 11,500. If it drops below 11,500, certainly you can expect that we are looking forward to higher lows here, and then 11,350 levels can be expected here. So what it may try to do, it may try to create a parallel channel, try to drop till there. So be careful till 11,700 and be careful of 11,600. Directional movement bullish, stochastic extremely overbought, the MACD divergent and bullish, RSI trading flat. Considering this, buy at 11,700 levels and then expect 11,840, 11,900 levels. In fact, 12,000 levels can be seen, 11,970 and 12,000, the next resistance zone. So buy at 11,700, but then expect 11,750, 800. 750 is also a minor resistance there, but 11,750, 840 levels should be seen if it continues to trade above 11,700 level. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. On the downside, sell at 11,600 and then expect 550, 500, 450 levels to provide a support. In fact, 400 and 350 should be seen. 350 is going to be the stronger support. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and remember, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, art of reading the charts, art of taking right entries, right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch, and definitely it will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. The next batch is starting in the first week of November. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. This is the 16th batch. As much delay as you do, the delay will be there for you to profit out there. So first join the learning batch and then you can reap the benefit for a lifetime. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. You can be part of my you can become a patron and support the effort. Now look at the hourly charts on US30. This is giving a breakout, indicating a bullish move here. Certainly it has breached the lows out there. Previously we have seen on the hourly charts it giving lower highs, and yes, if it breaches beyond 3450, certainly you can remain in a buy position above 3450 and then expect it to bounce more. At the same time, only sell entry today is below 3350 levels. Below 3350 you can expect a little more drop there till towards 3200 and below levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic near to overbought, the MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is trading with a bullish bias too. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, certainly this time it appears it is giving you a breakout here, because see previous 3 candles lower highs, higher lows, it is giving you a breakout, but still till the time it is forming a double top, I will remain cautious as it can again try to breach below this zone. Only sell entry today is below 3350. Below that certainly 3300, 3250, 200 and below levels can be expected. So buy at 3450, sell at 3350 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, the MACD is trying to cross over for a bullish move, RSI is trading near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts here, on the 3-hour charts, interestingly there is still scope for it to drop, and at the same time you can see higher lows are seen, hence sell at 3350. Below that 3300, 3200 and then below that you can expect another round of drop. So buy at 450, sell at 350. Very clear. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, the MACD is in green, RSI overbought, and similar is the observation on the 4-hour chart. But on the 4-hour chart, see, it is trying to break out, but at the same time forming a double top. Possibly if it breaks out more, we can, and also it has created a base out there at 3300 levels. So be careful, it can again give you another round of bullish move here, breaking beyond these levels. Certainly beyond 450 you can buy there and expect it to give you stronger bullish move throughout the day. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, the MACD is bullish, the RSI is near to top there. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, I will recommend 3600, 550 levels. That should be the level at which it may get a little more resistance. So beyond 3450, expect 3550 levels to provide it a little resistance. And if it breaks past 3600, then you can expect very strong bullish move. It can try to achieve 31,000 also. Be careful there. On the downside, you have to be careful of 3300 levels, below which you can expect 30,000 and below levels. And see, in between 30,600, 30,000, it can try to swing a bit. So be careful there. And yes, buy at 450, but then expect 3550 and 600 as a stronger resistance. 3600 could definitely be a stronger resistance and the level which it may try to fail to break past by. On the downside, sell at 3350, expect 3300, 3200 as a support, and below that 30,000 levels should be seen. Overbought, directional movement bullish and RSI trading flat. Considering this, sell at 350, buy at 450. Larger zone, you have to be careful on the downside of 3300 levels. Below that, you can expect 3200 and 30,000 levels. On the upside, be careful of 3600, 3450, above which you can expect 3550 and 600. Beyond 3600, it is going to remain extremely bullish. Mark my words, beyond 3600, you have to stay long. There is no other option. With the stop loss at 3300, you can stay long in US30 above 3600 level. You can expect 3800, 31,000 levels also. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Be a part of my signals group. Be a part of my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.